Hey viewers, it's Capable King here. Welcome to Empire Tech. In today's videos, I'm going to teach you how to promote your music. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment on this video. Without wasting much of your time, let's dive in. The number one thing in promoting your music is having the right mindset. You know, most of the upcoming artists are doing music because their friend is doing it, or doing music because they have access to the equipment. But no, this is not the right mindset to use to approach your music career. So taking your music as business, creating time for it, and keep pushing, being consistency in the game will keep you going and keep you boosting. Secondly, is getting a quality sound. Now, what I mean is that most of the upcoming artists, they are fond of using free beats. They are fond of recording with phone. All this gives them rough sound, and it doesn't allow the algorithm to recommend your song to others, because you may suffer from licensing, copyright claim that come with the freebie you use. So I advise you use freebie to write your song, and then get to the studio, tell your producer about it, so he can recreate a beat for you to record the same song, so you have the full right in that song. The number 3 thing is for you to create a profile. Yes, create a profile. Go to Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and get a profile with your name. Post a video using your song. From there you have many audience who will get to view the song. If they like it, they may likely want to find it and listen to it. And the number 4 thing you have to do is for you to distribute your music. Yes, distribute your music to stores like Spotify, Apple Music, Boomplay, YouTube Music, and other stores that is relevant. To me, I use DistroKid to do it. So if you like to use DistroKid as well, I have a link in the description of this video. Use the link, click it, you have 7% off when you use the link to register on DistroKid. When you distribute your song using DistroKid or any other distributor, you get your song to stores, so that when your fan want to listen to your song, they will just research the music and they can find it in Spotify, they can find it in other stores, so they get to hear your music. And with this, you are making money. If you find this video helpful, please leave a comment on this video, like and subscribe to our page, click the notification bell so you get notified once we drop new video. Thank you, and we love you.